Is your Discord voice delayed or lagging in 2026? Yeah, that annoying latency can really ruin conversations. In this guide, I'll show you how to fix Discord voice delay step by step. First, check your internet connection. Voice delay is often caused by unstable or slow internet. Try switching to a wired Ethernet connection if possible, or move closer to your Wi-Fi router for a stronger signal. Next, change your Discord server region. Open your server settings, go to Overview, and select a server region closer to your location. A nearer region usually reduces voice latency significantly. Now, adjust Discord voice settings. Go to User Settings, then Voice and Video. Disable Quality of Service. High packet priority. Yeah, this setting can sometimes increase lag on certain networks. After that, close background apps. Programs downloading updates, streaming, or using bandwidth can cause delays. Open Task Manager and end unnecessary network-heavy apps. If the issue continues, update your audio drivers. Open Device Manager, find your audio devices, and update both input and output drivers to the latest version. Another quick fix, reset Discord voice settings. Inside Voice and Video, scroll down and click Reset Voice Settings, then test your mic again. Finally, restart Discord and your computer to clear temporary glitches. And that's it. These fixes should remove Discord voice delay and give you smooth, real-time communication. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.